He's having trouble keeping it.
Is he? That's perfect for him. Is it too cold in your mouth?
Probably feels good on his gums.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one.
Oh, it got away from you. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
His scarf is dangling. We had to retie his scarf.
Such a cute
So
little
darn
puppy.
cute. Oh my God. Come here, buddy.
We should get a rescue dog to keep as our pet, and then we'll have to take him home on the weekend.
Get a Danador.
But we can, yeah. Well,
Oh, you mean like a...
You're big and lazy.
yeah, but
Wait.
but they have to go
Thank you
outside
for calling
and walk
Lion
around.
Financial. This is Jalen. How may I help you?
Sleep a lot.
Yeah, they need
Doing
a
well.
really
How are you
big
doing?
kennel.
Okay. What state are you in? In Delaware? All right. Hold on 1 second. Let me transfer you over to our representative. Somebody want to take a Delaware? Jack.
So what is it?
Jack.
Oh, package.
Come here. No, wait, nope. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good.
He wants to deal with problems.